Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot CRM pipeline stages and conversion tracking step by step clearly. Open your HubSpot account and navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Sales tab on the top menu. Click on Pipelines from the drop-down menu. Select the pipeline you want to verify from the list presented. Review each stage in your selected pipeline. Check if the stage names align with your sales process. Click on the Edit button to modify any stage names if necessary. Ensure that the stages are in the correct order for your workflow. Now, to check conversion tracking, go to the Reports section in the main menu. Select Analytics Tools and then click on Sales Analytics. Locate the Pipeline Performance Report. Review the metrics showcasing the conversion rates for each stage. Take note of any stages with low conversion rates. Consider adjusting your sales strategies for those specific stages. Return to the pipeline settings if adjustments are needed. Make any changes based on your review and strategic planning. Save your changes when finished. Regularly monitor your pipeline performance for ongoing optimization. This will help you understand where adjustments are necessary. Continue to refine your processes as needed for better efficiency. Familiarizing yourself with HubSpot's tools will significantly enhance your sales tracking capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.